So what I'm about to do right now, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm about to go in this house. I'm about to perform what we call a move-in cleaning, where the home is fairly new, but got dust, dirt from the prior tenants. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to make the house executive level clean, on a professional clean level, making a difference. So I'm gonna step inside, see what we got. So what we have here, we have laminated floors, so I'm gonna sweep the floor, mop it, polish it. The walls are fairly clean. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some sanitizer, make sure everything is sanitized and disinfected. We have the windows. The windows are gonna be clean. I'm gonna clean the windows inside and out, clean the walls, open the drawers, clean inside the drawers, so when they get their good dishes, they're gonna know that they've been cleaned properly. I'm gonna clean the microwave, I'm gonna clean the stove. Then we're gonna go over here. I guess that's where the refrigerator is gonna be. I'm gonna clean the bathroom, get this nice and clean, sanitized. Then I'm gonna work my way over here for the move-in cleaning. Clean the carpet nice and clean, have that shining. Nice fireplace they got here. Then I'm gonna go over here. Then I'm gonna go and clean. See how you open it? I don't even know how you open it. Oh, okay, I'm gonna open. Oh shit, I done broke some shit. Oh shit. Cut.